पोपट हो गया.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hope you all are doing fantastic. So it's 7 in the morning, 30th of August, and today I need to hurry up. I need to go to the bus stand right now. Like it's 7 o'clock. By 7:30, I need to catch any of the bus that goes to Mangalore because at 8:30 my friends are meeting me at Jyoti. I need to hurry up. I need to have my breakfast and leave. So I will meet you people directly in the bus. No, not in the bus. It's too noisy over here. So there's a slight change in the plans. Like I had to go to Jyoti, but right now I am in Padil. I just got on here. So my friends said that they will come over here and pick me up. And right now they went for the breakfast. They didn't have breakfast it seems, so they went there. Yeah, they will catch me. So let's begin the story from yesterday. So yesterday what happened is literally at 9:30 I guess at night. Sinan called me and IB was in the conference. You might know those people from my last video. So what happened is they called me and I was at a small function with my family. Suddenly all the plans took place and then things are going on right now. By the way, that's Toyota showroom there. Chill bro. No, he was asking like, what's this? Why are you making videos? So I said, I am an YouTuber. I am making videos on YouTube.
Should have told Sarakara price to his
Yeah, I said him my channel's name and he was checking that too.
Vlogger banega apun.
So we are speaking about the person. Like I didn't show you that. So a person was speaking with me over there while I was standing. He was asking why am I making videos and. So I just said my channel's name and he was checking my channel's name. Maybe he might be a new subscriber right now. And
Promotion.
yeah. So okay, I got these mates.
Big fan, sir. Big fan.
So what is our plan right now?
Eat, sleep, repeat.
What?
Okay.
What?
Eat, sleep, repeat.
That's it.
मैंने अभी नाश्ता करके आया. मस्त नाश्ता करके आया.
भरपेट नाश्ता किया.
भरपेट नाश्ता किया.
they भी इनवाइट किए तो आया नहीं तो क्या करें.
So what's our plan now? Where are we going?
हटिया.
Look, I just came by this road. Again we are going on that.
Yes, bro.
भाई दोस्तों के साथ ना अलग फील से है.
Yeah, that's real.
तो यहाँ से कितना दूर है?
Around 5 kilometers.
तू बार नीचे क्या देख रहा है? बोल भाई. नीचे क्या देख रहा है?
लोकेशन
क्या है नीचे?
मैम कौन है?
मैम कौन उधर रखता है?
तो गिर जाएगा ना मोबाइल.
सिनान को दे, सिनान बताएगा.
कोई.
ಸೀದಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗಿನ ಹೋಯ್ತು ರೋಡ್. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಂದ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಅದು ಕಳ್ಳಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ ಇದು ಎಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ഈ അപ്പ് എൻഡ് ഡൗൺ ಅಲ್ಲಿ എൻഡായിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ പോ റൈറ്റ് തിരിയാൻ പോയിട്ട് ലെഫ്റ്റ് റോഡ് പോയി
നോക്കറ അവിടെ കേട്ടേ ഉಂಟಾ और तो तू नहाने के लिए तैयार हो गया है?
यस
गाइस हम लोग मैं और अकमल will get ready to the falls thing but this person over here
मैं घर से आया हूँ तुम लोग बस में आए हो.
हम लोग कहाँ से आए
बस में
हम लोगों का घर नहीं है.
घर से ही आए हैं हम लेकिन आए हैं बस में.
हाँ मैं सीधा अपनी गाड़ी में बैठा रहा.
I didn't say them where we are going.
Okay,
like,
yeah.
We have come to Adyar
So
Falls.
let's
And now
introduce.
we are searching the route.
Exactly. We are coming. We had planned of Adyar Falls,
Yeah.
but we don't know where it is. So
By the way, have you turned on that recording?
let's check it out. Okay, yeah, we have. नहीं start था.
It was in his hand, so I was not sure whether he started
Bro,
or not.
even I'm a vlogger. Shit.
Oh yeah.
So guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel too. Link will be in the description.
Yeah.
वो कर क्या रहा है? Bro, बारिश आ रहा है. तेरा माइक खराब नहीं होगा ना?
माइक खराब नहीं होगा.
पक्का. अगर खराब हुआ तो मैं जिम्मेदार नहीं हूँ. आप लोग भी even it's evident. Okay.
No, there is dead cut, so I don't think.
किधर? मरवाएगा वो?
What is this? We are going to the what? The highway. Like literally, I don't see anything like falls over here.
Falls as in fall. We should fall.
Okay.
So people will look at us and be like falls. नहीं गाड़ी की चाबी गाड़ी में रखना. तो हम वापस कैसे जाएंगे?
So right now we got one route and we are going through that. We don't know whether this is the right path or not. Oh, somebody's slipper is here. If someone who is watching this video, if that is your slipper, it's over here, okay? Okay, literally it's feeling like we are in the forest. Like, look at how dark it is.
ब्राइटनेस बढ़ा ले.
Okay, right now we are back. We are just back again, and now where we are going, we don't know. So where are we actually going, guys?
ATM.
ATM. Yeah. I need to go to ATM first. So after that.
Minimum कितना देता है? Minimum 14-15. अच्छा. 15 देता है? Oh sure.
So after ATM, where are we going, man?
Let's go to the ATM. Let's see how much money do we have.
Then we'll decide. Then you will be my one, I think.
So after a lot of consideration, complication and consultation, we finally thought to go to this, what is this? Oaken Folk. We have some food and then later on we'll decide where we will go. Like, we planned yesterday all of a sudden, and because of that we don't have any idea.
It's not open. कितने बजे का बोला? 2 minutes. हाँ 12:10 के. हाँ. By the time they what prepare it and give बहुत late होगा.
तो क्या हुआ अभी?
कहाँ जाएंगे अभी?
So all our complication, consideration and everything got failed.
Consultation.
Yeah, consultation also got failed. So now don't ask me that I didn't show you city center. I have shown you city center also, but I don't like going inside there. Literally going inside city center is like it takes so much time inside. We came to National Darbar to have food, and then we'll have food and then meet you. So we just had our lunch and now we decided to go to Tanirbavi beach. By the way, we are in the market area right now. There's a slight change in our plan. First we thought to go to Tanirbavi beach, but right now we are going to Panambur beach. So okay, we reached Panambur beach and now we have nothing to do. We are actually completely free. We have no plans to. So maybe after this we'll be returning back to our homes. And I don't know whether you can hear my noise. I mean, you can hear my voice properly. It's a bit windy over here. That's it, nothing else is there in Mangalore, only beaches. Sinan have got nice Ray-Bans. Like, is it Ray-Ban or something else?
Vincent Chase, baby. Vincent Chase.
No, like I didn't have any content, so I just praised his glasses. That's it.
It's a fact though.
So okay, we are leaving the place. Nothing is here. Like we're standing there and looking at the waves. And this guy got some kind of sickness. Like he's singing from so long.
Probably missing someone.
Where are you getting down?
Surathkal probably.
So are we going to Surathkal now?
Yeah, like on the way. It's on the way. Anyways, you have to go there and.
No, U-turn is there in front itself.
But this guy can't see the U-turn. So.
Directly we'll get U-turn, man.
Hey, hello. Let him drop me till Surathkal.
Look, we'll get the U-turn in front of us.
तो क्या कहेगा सिनान?
Yeah, what will you do now?
बोल. क्या करना तुझे? Let him switch off the camera. Let him switch off the camera.
So sadly, this our guy Sinan is Sinan is leaving us right now. I hope you get the bus very soon as possible.
Bar bro, we are not going there.
So now I'll be sitting front. Sinan is going. Bye, Sinan. Then okay bro, I will be going. Let's meet on Saturday maybe, inshallah. Okay then. So okay, that guy is from Mangalore, so he will be going to his home and now I will be going to my home. Literally I'm feeling a bit sleepy, so I don't think I will be able to vlog. So I will catch you people directly at my home. Alright ladies and gentlemen, after that I fell asleep in the bus and then I went back to my home and there my uncle and aunt were there. So what happened is I came along with them to their place and there's a bit issue of network in here, so this video might be uploaded a bit late, and so far everything's good. So ladies and gentlemen, have a good day, enjoy your life, meet you in the next video. Okay, the second slipper is over here. Okay, so if your slippers are lost, it's over here. Okay guys, please don't wear sunglasses while coming here. It feels like you're coming into some dark forest.
That is why you were telling it's dark.
So we have two ways, guys. One is this, one is
This. So which way should we choose?
You go here, I'll go there.
Okay. No, this is not fine. I will go from this way.
Cut. ये सब मत डाल दो.